Hello guys, it's a new week here at ForexKits Academy, and right here on our VIP signal channel I want to take you guys through our activities for last week. Today is a Monday, and it's good for us to see how far we went through our last week, to actually help you guys understand. When we say our signal is about 85% accurate, we mean it, and you can see practically. Now this VIP signal channel is actually free for our premium student. The intention is to make sure that our premium students do not have to struggle to make money while they are learning, so we take the burden off their shoulder. And of course we have subscribers, people who pay to be part of this signal channel, and I'm sure that they are making a good money from whatever they paid for. They are having values for what they paid for. So this is our VIP signal channel. Normally we give every week we give trading outlook. Now the intention is for you to be able to understand our complaints, so that if you are a long-term trader, you'll be able to follow up with things, decisions, buyers in the market, so that it helps you, right? So we give you charts, and these charts are basic illustrations after our analysis. So this is not a full analysis, but then it gives you a perception of what we intend and what we look out for in the market. So we'll give this outlook, and meanwhile we also give signals. So this is what we do every day, and then we give some educational information that will always help you, right? So right here we also give signals with good entry and then exit levels in the market with stop loss and proper promptings. Okay, so we continue to prompt and update. Like right here you've seen that this particular signal was running over 207 pips, and as a matter of fact, this is a good sum of money. If you were trading with a standard lot, you can imagine how much you would have been making with a standard lot, right? So that is a very fat sum. And you see other signals right here. You see the updates, guys. Our VIP signal channel is going to be free this week. We are going to be helping some people, let's say 20 or 30 people, to be part of our VIP signal channel for free. So if you funded your account, you can be part of our VIP signal channel, and this is just to at least help some people who have the funds but then are not able to subscribe to the signals. So right here you can see over 134 pips, 69 pips, 70, 78 pips, and all of that. And they may have gone far beyond these, guys. So we keep you updated, and of course we have seen that one of these trades went on a stop loss. So but then if you are trading with at least a 1:4 risk to reward ratio, you know what this means. This one trade that had a drawdown would not even affect your account at all, and that is why we stress on proper risk management, guys. Now subscribe to our signal channel, and of course also like and follow us on YouTube, because we are going to be posting some contents that are going to be very, very informative, that are going to keep you updated, guys. We are going to be posting some market outlooks, so you don't want to miss them at all, guys. So if you like what we do here, smash the like button, and of course subscribe to our channel to stay updated, guys. So right here you would have seen plenty signals. We keep giving signals every day, and then you see our drawdowns are very minimal, just one stop loss. And then you would have seen how many pips we went. This ran over 227 pips, so one signal is even enough to settle you up. All right, so you see every day we keep posting signals, and even up to today as we speak, our signals are running, and I'm sure the updates are coming in. So you would have seen here, this is today, and you would have seen we have already made 64 pips from the signal, 27 and 21, and they are running 82 pips right here, 201 pips, right? So guys, you don't need to miss what we offer here at ForexKits Academy. We teach what we trade, and we trade what we teach. See you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.